Toby, every time there's a ruckus, you're right in the middle of it.
Take cover! Sheesh. Everyone's so sensitive around here. But one day, I want to lead your sleigh, Santa.
Well, I hope you do too.
I'm going on Santa's test run. What? Now's my chance. Huh? Oh, oh, oh. Hey, is this the North Pole?
No, it's Iowa.
Iowa what?
We need to get him stronger, so that when Santa gets here on Christmas Eve, Toby will be able to lead a sleigh.
How are we gonna do that?
We're gonna have to do lots and lots of training.
Where is Christmas? The best time of the year.
Where's the dog?
Well, boss, we went to the house just like you said, and
It was haunted. There was ghosts. And I wasn't that scared, but he was scared, and he was like, oh, it's paranormal activity.
Get me the dog!
I just wanted to be someone important, you know?
Toby, look around. You've got a room full of believers.